Hayes, Director of Manufacturing here at Allredi. There's nothing more critical to success in the surface preparation industry than clean, dry air. And nothing dries the air better than the Marco branded, powered by Allredi dryers. Our dryers are available in 400, 750, 950, and 1600 CFM. Some of the key features on the systems are the solid core radiator that delivers a 20-degree approach at the rated CFM, a galvanized inside and out coalescent tank. The galvanizing protects from corrosion from the desiccant tablets. Have a large fluid reservoir for lubricant for the air motor, and field repairable air hose. All the dryers come featured with tie-down lugs and lifting eyes, and have pipe plug and air shutoff kits available.